Making some progress on our ceiling art, I guess I'll call it. So we have the first one put together here. You can see how it, as you go down through, there's more layers to 5 layers, and then it tapers back down to 1. And started the second one, which is a little narrower. So we're going to have different heights. And so far this one has 3 layers, but I'll probably go 4 layers on it. And for example, this piece will go here. I'm eased edge on all the pieces. Here are some that I have not put the eased edge on yet, just for comparison. So it really softens the edge, softens the ends, gives it this look here. And we'll do a video about eased edge too, because that is it's something I do a lot of with woodworking. Okay, so how is this all going to look? So let me just give you a little preview. So imagine this is all a black ceiling. The whole thing's black. And you have these floor joists running this way. 12-inch on center about. I think they are 12-inch on center. And they're 2x12, so it's pretty deep. There's a big gap between, there's a lot of distance between that floor joist and the floor above it. But it's all black. And imagine this is the patio door right here. So let's call this our first lightning bolt, let's say. That's just for lack of other term right now. So let's imagine this first one goes right here. And it's fastened up. We're looking up at the ceiling now. It's fastened to the floor joist above. Now, it's all black. So this should stand out. Because this is I'm going to oil it, but it's still going to stay close to this coloring. There are some dark ones in here, but they're not black. That black is black. Like that stove black. So this will still show up. So imagine we do one here, and then maybe we do another one right here. Now we're looking up at it. Then we do a shorter one there, maybe a long one here. And as long as we can hit 2 or 3, ideally 3 floor joists to fasten them up, to hold them, because it's pretty heavy. It's probably, I don't know, 40, 50 pounds. So it's got to be fastened up good. I don't want them falling down. But the light, they'll get a little lighter the thinner I go. I'm going to do some thin ones too that are only like an inch thick. Because I don't need them thick. I don't need them wide, but I want some variation. So you get 3D effect. And let's just say we keep doing this and kind of give that starburst effect going towards the door. So that's the concept. I'm not positive how I'm fastening them up yet. I have one idea, the way I did the other boxes or rectangles. But I'm kind of searching to see if there's another way I could do it. But for now, either way, I'm going to get them fastened up there. So I need to get like 3 or 4 made and then start putting them up, and then I'll need to make a few more. But that's the concept, so we're calling it ceiling art, I guess. Ceiling decor. And what makes it most feasible probably is because we painted the whole thing black. So it kind of stands out more. Okay, I think that's all I had to say on that. Let's keep working at it. Ceiling art.